Hello everyone. Welcome to our water heater installation instructional mini-class series. Today, we're going to go over how to install and set up a gas water heater for camping and share some important considerations so you can enjoy the comfort of hot water in the great outdoors. First, let's take a look at the gas water heater that will be used. By the looks of it, we can see that this device has a compact design and is easy to carry around, making it perfect for outdoor camping. Now let's take a look at the tools and accessories needed for the installation. Before installation, we are going to use these tools and accessories: gas tank, gas water heater main unit, gas pipe inlet and outlet pipes connected to the gas tank, mounting brackets or hooks, screwdrivers and wrenches. Okay, after the tools and accessories are well prepared, let's learn how to install it. First of all, we need to find a smooth and well-ventilated location to install the water heater, away from flammable objects and fire sources to ensure safety. Next, secure the water heater at the proper height with mounting brackets or hooks. Make sure the installation is secure. Now, let's connect the gas line. Connect one end of the gas pipe to the water heater's air inlet and the other end to the gas tank. Make sure the connection is secure to prevent gas leaks. Then, connect the inlet and outlet pipes. Connect the inlet hose to the water source and the outlet hose to the hot water outlet. Make sure all connections are tight and leak-free. Once all connections are made, open the gas tank valve. Start the water heater by pressing the ignition button according to the water heater's instructions. Adjust the temperature and water flow until you are satisfied with the water temperature. During use, take care to ensure that the water heater is always in a well-ventilated environment and check that all connections are secure to prevent gas leaks, as well as turn off the gas tank valve when not in use. With the above steps, we hope to help you install and use your camping gas water heater correctly and can make it a comfortable experience for you to enjoy hot water in the outdoors. Thank you for watching this instructional series on gas water heaters for camping. For more camping equipment and tips, please visit our website or call our service line. We look forward to seeing you again.